ASM podcast episode 7 is a go.
Let's go! Welcome everyone to the ASM Scholarships podcast.
I wouldn't say pack all the stuff you need for your room. You're just going to buy it out here. You know, obviously it's.
Did you go to Walmart as well?
Yeah.
It was so cheap.
I went to Walmart as well. Man, what was you doing about Walmart? Like, that was like the saviour for me as well.
When I first got here, I bought a TV and a PS4 for the price of a PS4 in the UK.
Oh, how much you pay for it out here?
Like $300.
Really?
$300
How much is it in the UK now?
I mean, when at the time, like PS4 was like £300.
Right, yeah, it's like the exchange rate back then. It was
it was mad. So that was probably the best thing for me when I came over.
I really thought it was going to be like a hotel. I thought you come here and like all your sheets are there. You have like your toiletries. You'll have like your bath stuff, like towels. I thought it'd be like a hotel.
Yeah.
And then there's like I had the same kind of situation as you boys. That you get there, it's just a bed with a mattress, and you have to then go and get